Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, The Hungry Taurian, welcoming you all the way from India. Yes, I'm back and it feels really great to be back to the homeland. Well, in today's episode, we are going to cook a chutney that can be made with ridgegourd peel or Turai peel as promised in my last week's video. Well, this requires very less ingredients and can be made in no time, but make sure that you wash the vegetable thoroughly so that the peel doesn't have any impurities. Well, before we begin, I have a request to make. Please support me by subscribing to my channel and sharing it with your friends. And if there's anything in specific that you want me to cook and show it in the video, please let me know. You can also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page. The name is The Hungry Taurian. And if there's anything that you want out of the gallery in my feed, please let me know. I would love to recreate it. Now let's begin the recipe. Let's have a look at the ingredients first. Let's begin the process by first dry roasting the white sesame seeds in a low flame for about 5 to 7 minutes. You will see that the color would have changed slightly and there would be a beautiful aroma. Now let's have a look at the other ingredients. The first and foremost, the ridgegourd or the Turai peel. The supporting stuff in this case are the green chilies, curry leaves, salt, turmeric powder and the tamarind. Also, you would need some garlic pods. Just peel them and keep it aside. Now, since we had dry roasted the sesame seeds already, these are also required. Heat a pan or karai in a medium heat and add oil into it. Add the green chilies. If you want, you can increase the amount. Now add the garlic pods in it. Now add the curry leaves in it and give it all a very good mix. Make sure that the garlic has cooked well because we don't want the raw smell of garlic in the chutney. Now it's time to add the hero of the dish, the peel of the ridgegourd, and give it all a very good mix. It takes a good 5 to 10 minutes for the peel to get cooked, so you have to have a little patience since we are cooking it in low to medium flame now. It's time to add the salt and turmeric powder and mix it thoroughly until the raw smell of the turmeric powder is gone. Now switch off the flame and add the tamarind into it to give the sourness to the chutney. Just give it a quick mix and wait for it to cool down to room temperature. We are waiting for it to cool down so that we can put it in the blender and blend it further and make it into a paste. I would suggest have that patience and wait until it comes down to the room temperature. Otherwise, if you put it in the blender right when it is hot, it might just ooze out. Now add the roasted sesame seeds in it and add little water and then grind it into a smooth paste. Well, it will take about a minute or two. Don't add too much of water, just add little by little so that it doesn't become runny in the end. Now that the chutney has been ground into a smooth paste, just take it out in a bowl. Now let's prepare the tadka. In a kadhai, take about a tablespoon of oil. Add the urad and the chana dal. Add the red dry chili and the curry leaves. Now add the hing or ASAFETIDA. We just need to add a little pinch of it. Lastly, add the mustard seeds. Now it will all splutter, so just be careful. Now that our tadka is ready, we just need to sprinkle it all over the chutney. Wasn't this chutney interesting? You could see how we could make use of the peel of ridgegourd or Turai and make this beautiful chutney. Hope you liked today's episode. Coming up next is this easy peasy egg biryani recipe in my next week, so stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notification.